The question is it Porsche or Porsche? Now I know the answer. The way to say it is Porsche, but Porsche is a lot easier and takes less effort than saying Porsche. So before you guys go in the comments and that's not how you say it, man, you don't even know what you're talking about. I know it's Porsche, but we're gonna say it 1,000 times, so let's just go with Porsche. If you guys didn't see it, I recently did an article on the Taycan Cross Turismo that Porsche recently released. That thing is absolutely wicked looking. It's got like a station wagon look, but it absolutely hauls. Is all electric and costs an arm and a leg. Now, just a few short weeks later, Porsche announced that it is releasing 2 new electric bikes, one for the trails and one for the road. Now, obviously, being a Porsche, the price tag that comes with these things is astronomical. I'm going to tell you guys what they are at the end. There are 2 different versions for the trail bike and for the street bike. So make sure you guys wait until the end to find out how much they cost. Now, let's talk about the names. So like I said, guys, there's 2 different versions, one for the road and one for the trails. The one for the road is called the Porsche e-bike. Now, I'm not too thrilled with these names because they just came out with a car called the Taycan Turbo S. That sounds like an absolute rocket ship. Why would you name your first electric bike a Porsche e-bike Sport? That sounds like it's slow or something. Now, the second one, the trail version, is called the Porsche e-bike Cross. Again, not too overwhelming with the name, but hey, I guess Porsche knows what they're doing. Now, both of these bikes have full suspensions, meaning if you go over bumps and stuff, it is super smooth. They have the shocks that absorb all the bumps for you, so it feels like you're gliding over things. Also, both of their frames are carbon fiber, so these bikes are super light and make it easy to go on either trails or on roads. Whether you're going a long distance or a short distance, you will get there quickly. Both of these bikes can reach a top speed of 15.5 miles an hour. Actually, a little bit over that, but that is the maximum allowed for these type of bikes in Europe. So Porsche is not allowing these bikes to go any faster than that, at least as of yet. It'll be interesting to see if they release a US spec version that can go a little bit faster, but hey, who knows? We'll keep an eye on it, and I will let you guys know if they do release that. Now, Porsche announced that these 2 bikes will be available for the general public later this year in the spring, and you can actually purchase these bikes at a Porsche dealership. Now, what you can tell your friends is, listen, man, I can't hang out today because I got to go to the Porsche dealership. I'm picking something up, you know? And leave it at that. Don't tell them that Porsche came out with a bike. Don't tell them you're going bike shopping. Just tell them you're going to buy a Porsche, you know? But don't get ahead of yourselves. The price tag on these 2 things is astronomical. The type of thing where you got to say, honey, put the house up for sale. I'm buying a Porsche e-bike. Guys, they are literally that expensive. So the e-bike Sport, which is the on-road version, starts at $10,700, which is crazy, guys. We're talking about a bike here. But hey, I guess if you're purchasing a Taycan Turbo S for right around $200,000, you don't really care about an extra $10,000 to say you have a Porsche bike, right? So that's the on-road version is $10,700. Now the trail version is a little bit cheaper, which I thought it would be the other way around, but I guess not. The e-bike Cross, which is the off-road version again, goes for $8,549, which is still a ridiculous amount of money for a bike. But like I said, guys, it's a Porsche, and they know they can get away with that kind of stuff. So guys, let me know what you think about these bikes in the comment section down below. If you guys had an extra $10,000 to spend on a bike, would you guys buy a Porsche bike? I think they look sick and very sleek, but again, I don't see myself spending $10,000 on a bike. I'd rather put that as a down payment on an investment property or pay for my kids' college or do anything else but buy a bike. But let me know what you guys think and if you guys would buy one in the comment section down below. But that's all I have for you guys in today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please go ahead and smash that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Guys, don't forget to talk less and do more. I'll see you guys in the next video.